Thank you for stopping by. My name is Venkat, and I'm a founder of the company Attain Pinnacle. My friend, I've got a very simple question for you. Have you ever wondered why most people think they want a good quality of life, and they do several things in their life, and they hope they'll get the right results, but in the end, they don't get what they deserve? And there's another set of people, which is a very small number, who have a great life, a fantastic health, career, a lot of money. They have, a family vacation of wherever they would want to, and they have all the freedom in their life to do what they want. And over and above that, they help the society. They have a very happy life. Now, so if you want to break free from the limitations and achieve extraordinary success in all areas of health, wealth, relationship, career, developing the right mindset and aligning your goals with new habits will help you to propel forward. And if you want to do that, I think this community is for you. The great motivational speaker, Earl Nightingale, said, people who start at the age of 25, right, believe that, they will be very successful in life. They have all the sparkle in their, life and do a lot of things, to be successful. And when they reached the age of 65, he found, every 100 people, only 4 of them were actually financially independent and free. 5 of them were still working. 54 of them actually were broke. And this is based on a study done, by Earl Nightingale. Now, why do you think this happens? It's because they have not understood, how to become successful in different areas of life. Now, I have discovered a model, having studied a lot of successful people in the world, to achieve success in all areas of life. Success means different things to different people, right? To me, in my definition of success, is fulfillment and accomplishment derived from achieving meaningful goals by experiencing personal growth, which makes a positive impact in their life. And I would look at holistic well-being rather than well-being in a single specific area. Now, just to give my background, I've had about 4 decades of corporate experience, including several executive roles as a CEO, as a board of director in banks, financial institutions, and technology institutions. This is across Asia, Europe, and Africa, Middle East, and have successfully turned around institutions and actually spearheaded some very large projects successfully. Over 20 years, I've helped numerous individuals overcome their personal challenges in the areas of career, finance, health, and I've had about over 10 academic qualifications, having also undergone training from several renowned mentors in the world. Additionally, I have also extensive training in several of the other, if you may call, the alternate healing methodologies and other techniques, like for example, Reiki, wherein I am a grandmaster, self-hypnosis, pranic healing, neuro-linguistic programming, EFT, Ho'oponopono, belief clearing, etc., etc. And I possess a robust set of tools to help individuals embark on their transformative journey. Along the way, over the last 2 decades, I've had immense joy of nurturing and mentoring several individuals in the world. Now, it's been very enriching to witness their growth and success. And I'm grateful that I've had a part to play in this inspiring journey. Life actually has been an extraordinary adventure filled with humbling experience that have shaped me whom I am today. And I continue to be a student of human behavior till date. Now, trust yourself. Suspend all your disbeliefs and join me to say goodbye to procrastination, the stress in your life, the overwhelm you have, the negative self-talk you have, the unproductive, the habits, burnout, financial limitations, strained relationships, or energy drain, or even, limited growth opportunities. I'm sure you would have seen several thousands of people claiming that they are the best, and they try to sell something to you. I don't claim to be the best. I know one model of being successful, and I actually wanted to add value to you. So I invite you to join my community. If you go to my website attainpinnacle.com, you will find a lot of free courses. You could start off from there, and I shall also be holding some special workshops to help you to become successful by eliminating your limiting habits. Now, you need to decide whether you are ready for it. Again, I would like to reiterate that it doesn't cost you anything to join my community. You have nothing to lose, but a whole future to gain potentially. Now, I would strongly recommend to go and join so that I could look forward to seeing you on the other side. And if we like each other, we could actually end up doing some bigger things together. With this, I would thank you for listening, to this introduction. Thank you so much, and I hope I will see you on the other side. Bye-bye.